Hi everyone, welcome back to IsaBeauty. This is Isabelle. I've got another nail video coming at you, and everything is from the drugstore, so it'll help save you money. After our nails are shaped and our cuticles are taken care of, we're going to go in with the base coat. This is Sally Hansen's base coat that we used in our last video. And the directions say to shake gently, and then you can use it alone or underneath a nail color, which we're going to do today. We're going to let this thin coat dry for a little bit, and then we're going to go in with this beautiful color by Essie. This is so pretty. This is called Forget Me Nots, and it is a really pretty fuchsia color that looks stunning on your nails, especially in these summer months coming up. I'm really excited to wear this more often, but it is just so beautiful, and let's go ahead and apply this. Here's a nice side-by-side of the first coat that we've done on the left hand, and now we're going to use our left hand, which is not my dominant hand. So I'm going to show you in real time. I do not have this sped up how slow I actually go. I really try and take my time when I do my opposite hand. It just saves me a lot more time because I don't have to clean up anything at the end. It'll be maybe like a few little spots here and there, but it's not that bad. So don't rush and enjoy the process. So now we're going to speed it up a little bit. Fingers down my side. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my side? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my side? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your So now that both hands are done with the first coat, we're gonna put our hands in front of a little mini fan that we have. It's a little tabletop fan, and we're gonna let those dry for a couple of minutes, and then we'll get back into it and put on a second coat.
Later that same evening.
Guys, oh my gosh, I was eating my dinner and I dropped my entire plate of food on the floor. So we're gonna go in and touch up these little tiny dings that I got from trying to save the plate, just on a couple of fingers, which is not that bad, but we're gonna do those first before we go in with the second coat.
2 very boring minutes later.
Now that we're all nice and dry, we're going to go ahead and use a top coat now. This is definitely a necessary step in order for your nails not to chip, in my opinion. The one that we're going to use is Sally Hansen's Insta-Dri. I was going to use Sally Hansen's 3D Gel Shine top coat, but I decided to go in with the top coat that I used last time, which is this one, the Insta-Dri Anti-Chip Top Coat. I know I just love it and I know how it'll perform. It's been so long since I've used the other one. Maybe in the next nail video, we'll go ahead and review the 3D top coat if you're interested. So the directions say to shake gently, apply nail color, wait 2 minutes, and apply 1 coat. Manicure will be dry to touch in 30 seconds, which is great and definitely true from my experience. This bottle is very well loved. I struggled in between each fingernail to get more product out, so I definitely need to re-up and buy another bottle for sure. And our perfect polished manicure is done. Our mini manicure is complete, you guys. We used Essie nail polish and Sally Hansen's base and top coats, which I got from the drugstore, which was very inexpensive. Then you'll have the products yourself so you can continue to use them at home, which will save you money over time. And who doesn't love saving money? I do. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, share, all that good stuff. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.